Hi, my name is Cindy Pury, and I am a professor here in the psychology department. I trained as a clinician, but my current research interests are much more aligned with positive psychology, particularly the study of courage. My primary research interest lies squarely in the psychology of courage and all of its possible applications. There is surprisingly little that we know about how people take action in difficult circumstances, particularly when they're weighing the benefits of a worthwhile action taken for risk. That's our lab's main definition of courage, an action take a risk taken for a worthwhile reason. And it's applicable in so many different areas, particularly in the health domain, where people often have to have to first acknowledge that they have some sort of a problem that needs addressing or some kind of health issue that needs addressing. No one likes to take the risk of admitting you're limited. And then they also commonly have to take risks of varying sorts in telling people about their medical issue, in getting treatment for their medical issue, in adhering to treatment about their medical issue. And so I see courage as having a definite place in all of those areas. And then if you flip it, for healthcare providers, courage is often needed in many situations. Nursing has probably done the most research on courage in a healthcare workplace setting, where it's found to be a primary component of a lot of solid nursing outcomes. And I'm interested, like I said, primarily in courage. I've studied it in a variety of different situations, and that would be my major interest that overlaps with health. I'm particularly interested in working with any health PhD student who's interested in looking at courage as applied to patients or to healthcare providers, or honestly, to patient families as well. The qualities I most value in a graduate student are intellectual curiosity, being a self-starter, being a good writer, and being a solid uh, methodological person. And I think with those four qualities, you can go really far. People can find out more about the research that I'm doing. Honestly, if you're interested, send me an email and I will send you a whole bunch of different things that have come out of my lab recently and not so recently that will give you a really good overview of what I do. I also work with many grad students in the IO psychology program, where I'm particularly interested in working with students who want to know about courage in the workplace. There's been a fair amount of research done on that, particularly using Matt Howard's workplace social courage, which is a concept that comes directly out of the theory and some of the theoretical stuff that's been done in my lab. So I'd be particularly interested in anyone who'd like to work with me on that as well, if you're in IO.